Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Remove the two holding bars for the air pressure hoses located on the side of the airbox. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 15mm Torx socket, unscrew the 5 holding screws on the airbox flange. Using a multi-grip plier, compress the 2 edges of the hose clamps in order to free it from its hold. Then push it back along the air inlet hose using your other hand to help. In order to remove the electric connector on the airflow meter, lever the locking tab with a thin flathead screwdriver. Remove the flange on which the air filter is clipped.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Put the new one in place, paying close attention to how you put it in, then clip it in place. Put everything back in the airbox, then reattach the air inlet conduit. Reconnect the power terminal to the airflow meter. Finally, using multi-grip pliers, put the hose clamp back to fix the air inlet hose in place. You can then screw the 5 holding screws back onto the flange. Finish by clipping the holding bars back in place for the air pressure hoses. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.